Listen, God gives two kinds of gifts. A natural gift through the tree of knowledge of good and evil. This is a natural gift from God to his creatures. This gift is for everybody. The gift, the tree of life. This is a spiritual gift from God to his children. Now, natural gift, you see, I already told about having money or prosperity, the wealth, then the natural order do not make you a good Christian. It is the same thing for miracle. A lot of miracles or do miracles. Miracle is miracle is natural. Miracle is not spiritual. So miracle is a natural gift also. But a natural gift is natural. And then make some heal somebody who suffers fever, who got fever. That's natural. I got headache, you pray for me, I heal, that's natural. Okay? It's okay, so with some, they can see it. They can touch it, they can see it. That's natural. But a lot of miracle you do cannot or do not make you a good Christian for that. Do not make you higher than what you are. Do not justify your good relationship with Christ. Okay, when you look, many people are looking for deliverance or healing churches, healing teacher. Okay, they spend a lot of money behind those teachers because they're healing. No problem. This is it. No, there is nothing wrong in it. For the tree of knowledge of good and evil, there is nothing wrong in healing people. But it stay in the natural order, in that spiritual order. You can be great healer. God can make you heal people, really, according to his way, but in the natural order. It doesn't justify your good relationship with him. And when you see in Matthew chapter 7, and what Jesus said to his disciples, to us today, the disciples, and then those Jewish people, the children of God, they believe a lot in miracle. They knew God through miracle. They knew God. They recognize you are a man of God through miracles. You must do miracle for them to know you, to be convinced that you come from God. So this is the way Israel knew God in the natural order. Listen what Jesus said to his disciples in Matthew 7, verse 22. He said, "Many will say to me in that day, many will say to me in that day, Lord, Lord, have we not prophesied in thy name? In thy name have cast out devil? In thy name done many wonderful work?" To verse 23, "And then will I profess into them, I never knew you, depart from me, ye that work iniquity." So, you mean they can do a lot of miracle, prophesying, whatever that, do a lot of wonderful works cannot make you escape hell. Okay? Cannot make you to become a good Christian, or cannot justify your good relationship with Christ. Okay, this is the case. That's because healing people, good works, they are natural. Because God lets you do that, lets you die in it because you are not in his salvation plan. Okay, because you will not belong to his sheep. Because the only way Israel knew Christ through miracle. Even Christ said that in John 4:48. 48. Listen what he said here. Then said Jesus unto him, except ye see signs and wonders, he will not believe. Will not believe. Except ye see signs and wonders, ye not believe. The only way the Jewish people believe in someone as a Christian, as a man of God, is through signs and wonders. Because the wonders, you can see them. They never believe in Christ by faith. Okay, remember the Bible, they say by sight. We Gentiles, converted in Christ, we know Christ by faith. That's why Paul says here in 1 Corinthians chapter 1, verse 22. 1 Corinthians chapter 1, verse 22, he said, for the Jews require a sign, and the Greeks seek after wisdom. For the Jews require a sign, and the Greeks seek after wisdom. So, we are the people who seek for wisdom. And the other people, like Jews, seek for signs, wonders. We have people right now, they're looking for healing churches. Church in healing people. Oh, come over here on the altar. I'm going to pray for you. God going to make a miracle in your life today. You're going to make you prosperous today. You're going to give you everything your heart desire. They talk about the tree of knowledge of good and evil in the Old Testament message. Everything is a natural message. They speak behind the pulpit. All of them is natural message, not spiritual message. All come over here behind the altar. I'm going to pray for you today. I'm going to make you receive the blessing God has for you. For a long time ago, I'm going to make your day today. So, and he lay hand upon the people and make themselves fall down and then just pretending to be healed. Or to receive the unction, to receive the power, to receive the blessing. My brother, that's natural. There's nothing wrong in it, naturally speaking. It's natural, but it's not spiritual. But spiritual is spiritual because we believe in Christ by faith, not by sight. The Jews believe by sight. The Gentiles believe by faith. Now they both must believe by faith. Jews and Gentiles in Christ, in the dispensation of Christ, of grace, must believe by faith, not by sight. I don't need to see miracle to believe in Christ. Because Christ is a Christ by faith, not by sight. Then, like I said again, you're doing miracle, doing great wonders, great sign, cannot qualify you as a good Christian, cannot make you a good Christian, cannot justify your good relationship, your good spiritual relationship with Christ.